Kapag informative ang content, do you consider that journalism right away? Kapag magandang editing, convincing ang delivery, no, ibig bang sabihin nun verified na din yung info? Are we starting to confuse well-packaged information with actual investigation? Kasi trust me, magkaiba yun. So, ano ba talaga nangyari? At bakit suddenly naging malaking usapan si CJ Hero? Recently, CJ with PGMN released content involving Martin Romualdez tackling issues related to corruption allegations, flood control spending, at mga concerns involving public accountability. And naturally, because this involved a very powerful political figure, a lot of people paid attention. Now, to be fair, maraming viewers ang natuwa sa content. Kasi for some people, finally daw, someone was talking about issues na hindi masyadong pinag-uusapan in a way na madaling maintindihan. Not everybody wants to sit through government reports, Senate hearings, or mahahabang investigative articles. So, kung may creator na kayang i-break down yung mga complicated issues into something smaller, something digestible, of course we will take it. And honestly, that's a valid point. Pero syempre, hindi lahat convinced.